Starting in Warrior 2, pivot your front feet to face the long side of your mat. Rest your hands on your hips and make sure your feet are slightly turned in and in line with one another. Inhale and lift your chest, lengthening the spine, and exhale, maintaining the length of the spine. Lean the torso forward from the hip joint. As the torso approaches parallel, place your hands onto the floor directly below your shoulders. Rotate your thighs, lengthen the torso, inhale to lengthen the spine, and then you take your left palm to the floor and bring your right arm up to bring the twist through the body. Exhaling to twist your belly and chest. Make sure to keep your hips level. To come out the pose, bring your hands back on the floor, below your shoulders, lift and lengthen your front torso, and then rest your hands on your hips and lift with a straight spine. You would then repeat on the opposite side.